Automated testing also is reusable. Reusability means you can code once and reuse again and again for the rest of your automation framework. And that's beautiful, right? Because one-time effort can be used over and over again. When with manual effort, you can never really reuse anything. All those manual test cases that we looked at, there's nothing really you can do here. You can't reuse anything. If you need to open a browser, enter username and password, you have to do those steps no matter what. Like how are you going to reuse anything that you did previously? If you entered a valid username and a valid password, you can't reuse that for your next test case when you need to enter an invalid username. You just can't. But take a look at this. If we write our code like this, qtp page.goto, qtp page.login. It's test case 1. qtp page.goto. Oh, we already coded that. It's up here. You just reuse it. Login. We also coded that. Reuse that. And let's just code a new functionality called qtp page.isAt. 2 test cases done, and 2/3 of this test case were functionality that was already created previously and reusable. If we want to do another test case, we reuse the previous 3 steps and add a new function, a new method to continue testing whatever we needed to test. And so you can see 4 test cases, almost all the functionality is reusable. Like I said, as a manual tester, you can never really do that. If you need to go to this page, you have to go to it. You have to open the browser. You have to type in the URL. And if you want to log in, you need to enter the username and you need to enter the password. You always have to do those steps manually. But here, with code, we coded it. We created it. It's done. You just type in that stuff again, and that's it. No more problems. The reusability of the code is just so beneficial because it saves the company a lot of money. And remember, at the end of the day, you're going to be working for some company whose main goal, no matter what you tell me, it's to make money. And if you are able to create tests extremely fast that are extremely stable in the correct way, the company is going to love you because you're going to help them to soar to new heights in creating software. And with the automation testing skills that you're going to learn here, that's exactly what you will be able to do.